was our last truckload of material from our Hotchkiss Grove, Branford, Connecticut soft strip of a beach house, which is this one here, which we've had online before. And we're going to take a look at an Urban Miners soft strip here. An interesting thing is this artwork that was on this siding over here, we took that and saved that. Anyway, we're going to go right through this window here. And here's what we took. There used to be 2 bedrooms up there, and we took the floor, which was 3-inch pine, and then there's no subfloor, so then all the joists were just exposed like those. So it's just a matter of cutting both ends and dropping them. There's one we didn't take because it was rotted. But they're not structural aspects of the house in terms of holding it up. You see it's a gable roof, and the loads go to the back walls, and there's a load-bearing wall in the middle, which we can't touch. But everything in here was just floor and joists holding it up to that center beam. So we got all the joists, all the flooring, and then what we had, if you look in the kitchen, you can see this nice old yellow pine beadboard, 3/4 of an inch thick. Well, that was throughout the house. That was on the ceiling down here, not upstairs, but it was on the ceiling down here and the walls. I know I'm looking for a sample up there, some that's still left in that little section. But we basically got all the beadboard on these walls and everything on the ceiling, except we left the 2 pieces where the beam is. I guess those weren't coming out easily. And then we also got a little bit of beadboards for on some of the bedrooms, and we took a bunch of window sashes, some nice old window sashes, the ones that weren't broken, and we got the interior and exterior doors, except we're leaving that storm for security purposes. And that's it. We are done. We did bid this for a full deconstruction, where we would have got paid to remove everything, and basically we would have had maybe one 20-yard dumpster of materials. Instead, the rest of this will get demolished. It's unfortunate, but we didn't get the bid, so we did the best we could, which is probably about 3 truckloads of materials, which are now, of course, at the shop and need to be sold.